How to generate videos with text prompts in Sora. Want to turn simple words into stunning cinematic videos? Today I will show you how to generate videos using just the text prompt in Sora AI. OpenAI's mind-blowing video tool. Let's dive in. First things first, go to Sora.com and sign in using your OpenAI credentials. It's currently available to ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscribers. Once you are in, you'll see a clean, simple dashboard. In the prompt box, type out exactly what you want to see. Be detailed. Describe the scene, mood, lighting, even the camera angle. For example, a serene mountain landscape at sunrise, mist over pine trees, and a river reflecting golden light. Want to go further, you can also upload an image or video to guide the AI generation. Now let's tweak the settings before you hit create. Choose your resolution. Set your aspect ratio. Pick a duration and choose a visual style. You can also enable variations to get multiple tags on the same idea. Once you are done, hit create. In about a minute, your video will be ready and waiting in your library. Click to preview it. And if you enable the variations, you will see different interpretations of your prompt. Pick your favorite. Sora is not just for filmmakers or designers. People from all kinds of niche can use it. A fitness coach could generate a sunrise run on a misty trail. A motivational speaker might create a video of a lone figure climbing a mountain through a storm. Even educators, musicians, or storytellers can breathe life into their content with cinematic visuals. Sora lets you do even more. You can recut the video using storyboards, remix it with new prompts, blend elements from different videos, or create seamless loops. And here's a few bonus tips. Use the storyboard to control keyframes by timestamp. Favorite your best versions for easy access later and export your masterpiece as an MP4 or share it instantly via link. And that's how you create mind-blowing AI videos with just your imagination and a keyboard. If this helped, give it a like, drop a comment with your wildest video idea, and subscribe for more AI creativity hacks. Thanks for watching.